Hi everyone, just thought I'd give you a quick review on my EVGA Z20 keyboard here. Purchased this probably about a year ago and have been super pleased with it. It's just overall a very stylish keyboard. Comes with this leather wrist pad, which is magnetic. I don't know if you'll be able to hear that or not in here, but kind of just stays in place very securely there. It is adjustable RGB, so you're able to customize the colors of your keys. I'm a pretty simple guy, so I just went with a solid color that's on all the time, but really quite a few options. It does have some macro keys on the side here that you can program. Adjustable volume bar that's just scrolled. And the other feature that I really like is there are actually two USBs that plug in from the keyboard cord, and one of them is a pass-through to a USB on the back here, which I have my mouse dongle attached. Very tactile, responsive keys. They have some texture on your gaming keys here, but it does come with some optional replacements if you wanted to switch those out for a smoother feel. Overall, I've been very happy and think it was definitely worth it in the end.